Hello kids, today I'm gonna tell you a very interesting story about Lazy Penny. Penny was a lazy girl who disliked working hard. An angel decided to teach her a lesson. The angel appeared in Penny's house and said, "Penny, go to the end of the rainbow. You will find a treasure there." Penny was very happy now. However, she didn't know which end of the rainbow to go to. Finally, she went to the left end. There was nothing there. Now, Penny was very angry. She began walking towards the right end. It was a long, twisted path. Penny reached there, feeling very tired. There she saw the angel. She angrily said, "You didn't tell me which end to go to." The angel said, "My dear, whichever end you traveled to first, you wouldn't have found anything. I wanted to make you work hard." Then the angel gave her the treasure. Now Penny understood that treasure only came through hard work. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.